Trust me. Come on, give me that thing. Imagine.
God have mercy upon us.
Just look at what you are doing. You use this thing they took for your body.
Hey!
You know they see mine. You know they see as I carry my wife, so you don't feel fine, man. Eh? You know no sweetness where they for man.
Nice.
Huh? Nuna they corrupt this country, so now your time, but now they corrupt this country. Eh?
Hey! Mama, what did they do for you said that your wife. What did they do for him bag? Which bag?
Women.
You put them for bag.
For bag now. We don't collect them for mama. Where would they go?
What do you want use and do?
Nothing now.
Bring that thing out, darling.
My husband, wait, keep them for here. When this thing they here, they cool.
If I slap you now, you will know something. Come on, give me this thing.
Hi. My husband need this.
What do you want use and do where you put them for?
Nothing now. You don't collect them for her. Where would they go now? Put them for bag now. Where would they go?
Dress up, same feather.
Is that
Vale.
Child! Imagine life.
They like him. They like him.
Child.
Sister, they like him.
Hey!
Where you get that kind of cucumber? You see where I get this cucumber? Hi. Hey! Go collect am from